Ano ba ang highly guarded secret in making money sa stock markets? Akala ng karamihan, it's the perfect timing. But based on the most successful and richest investors here in the Philippines, it's actually owning shares of stocks from great companies for a long time. They buy shares of stocks from great companies and they regularly earn dividend. And then yung kinikita nila na dividend, they buy again shares of stocks until they earn compound interest. Pag bumibili ka kasi ng shares of stocks, you are not gambling. You are buying a piece of a real business. And ganun ang mindset ng mga most successful and richest investors here in the Philippines. Kaya, have an investor mindset.